Great, so in this video, I showed you how to add guests and assign food choices on the last video. So we're just going to have a quick look at this seating plan. So you can see all your guests are already in at the top. Here, there's a button that says Add Table. So this is where you can add in your top table and your round tables. So for now, we'll just add a top table and we'll put 2 round tables. And all you need to do is drag and drop. So and that's how you put your guests onto the tables. So you'll see that the tables will automatically be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, for example, and top table, you can have up to 10 people on top table. So when you add the tables here, you can click top table segment, and it will give you the other top table segments as well. And that's how you add your guests to the table. Again, if you need to return to your home page at any time, you'll click the Sonas logo at the top. Just a reminder, when you input your evening guests, you don't need to assign those to a table. It's only your day guests that get assigned to a table, your evening guests, because in the evening there's no seating plan, so people will sit wherever they want. So just your day guests with the 3-course meal assigned to the table, and then the rest of your guests will remain up the top here.